Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to delete Threads account permanently. So first thing that you would do is simply open up the Threads application into your device, and now from here at the bottom right corner of the screen, just tap on your profile icon. Just tap on your profile or the person icon, and now from here, just simply tap on the two lines at the top right corner beside your profile, and from here, just simply go to account. And now, once you are on the account, you should be able to see here deactivate or delete profile at the top in the fourth one. And just simply tap on it. And now, from here, guys, you will have two options. You can either deactivate your profile, which you will not be visible to anyone until you reactivate your profile by logging in, or you can delete your profile permanently. So just simply tap on delete profile over here. And after that, guys, just simply log in into your account to proceed. So just simply provide your password and just simply tap on delete thread profile. And since I'm not gonna delete my profile, I won't be able to continue. But if you do, just simply tap on delete thread profile. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.